Hello and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Melissa Crafter and I create custom epoxy free tumblers along with other crafts. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these super cute keychains using Teckwrap vinyl. If you are someone who sells personalized crafts, these are a super fun addition that you can add to your shop. These also make great gifts. So if that is something that you're interested in, please continue watching. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do upload a new video every week. Thank you so much for watching. Before we begin, I want to show you the two Teckwrap vinyls that I use for these keychains. I use two of these Shimmer adhesive vinyls in the color black and white. You can find these along with more quality vinyl on the Teckwrap website. I do have a discount code with Teckwrap. You can use promo code MelissaCrafter10 at checkout for 10% off of your order. I'll link the Teckwrap website down below and I'll also put my discount code there. The keychains are also from Teckwrap. I'll link them down below. Teckwrap also sells additional crafting blanks, so definitely be sure to check them out. So here I have already cut out my decals using my Cricut Explore Air 2. You can cut this type of vinyl with any type of cutting machine. I did cut these on the holographic vinyl cut setting. I did purchase these SVG cut files from Etsy from the shop DECAL and Daydream. I'll link the file down below in case anybody is interested. With decals that are small like this, you can use your vinyl scraps. Here, using this vinyl scrap from a previous project, I was able to put all three decals on this one piece. So now that I have my decals cut out, I'm going to weed them out using my Teckwrap weeding pen. This weeding pen does have a sharp stainless steel tip. I'm going to go in on one of the corners here and begin to remove the excess vinyl. I'm going to repeat this for this second layer. Here I have my decals already weeded out. And I'm going to take 3 of the keychains. I am going to wipe these off with an alcohol prep pad just to be sure my vinyl has a good surface to adhere well onto. I'm going to take a piece of transfer tape and add it to this top layer. Using my squeegee, I'm going to press down on the vinyl to make sure my decal adheres onto the vinyl. Here I cut each decal separately just so that I'll be able to easily layer these. I'm going to remove the backing off this first one. So here I'm going to center this as best as I could on top of this bottom layer. You can use the parchment paper hack that I use in previous videos to perfectly layer this if you want. Since these decals were small, I was able to easily center them. And here my decals are ready to be placed on my keychains. The dimensions that I used for this first decal are 1.2 for the width and 1.5 for the height. I'm going to center this as best as I could here on my decal, and I'm going to press down using my finger, and then I'm going to pull off the transfer tape. The dimensions for this second decal was 1.2 for the width and 1.2 for the height. I'm going to apply it the same way, try to center it as best as I could, press down using my fingers, and then pull off the transfer tape. The dimensions that I used for this last decal is 1.5 for the width and 1.5 for the height. And here is how my keychains turned out. These were so fun to make and the possibilities with these are endless. You can add any type of vinyl decal onto these, whether it's a holiday themed decal or a simple name. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I do upload a new video every week. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is melissacrafter00. I do post on there daily, so be sure to give me a follow. Thank you so much for watching.